Good day, everyone. Please give us a few minutes as we welcome everyone to stream in. We'll be starting shortly. Welcome everyone to our specified technical training, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Dimisani, and I'm being assisted by Tereni, and we are both trainers in the Impro training division. This is the first of 4 webinar sessions we will be hosting with the aim of providing you with the ability to specify, select, and sell our access control solutions. Those that complete all 4 sessions will receive a certificate of attendance from the training division. Before we begin, please take note of the following. We have disabled microphones in this webinar. If you have questions, please type these into the chat box and we'll cover as many as we can during the Q&A session at the end. In the event we cannot cover all the questions raised, we will create a fact from the session which will be posted on our website and the link will be sent to you over email. On the right-hand side, you'll see we have handouts available for all attendees. Feel free to download these for your future reference. Please also be aware this webinar is being recorded and will be made available online after the event. At the end of the webinar, we have a compulsory request for you to complete in order to move on to the next module. Please make sure you complete this before closing the webinar window. Should you have any additional questions or need information after this webinar, please feel free to reach out to us on info@impro.net. Today we're going to be looking at Module 1 and the following topics are up for discussion. We're going to look at the company overview, then we're going to look at your access control basics, and then we're going to look at access portal product range. We're going to then look at the scalability of the product and the architecture of it. I'm going to start by just playing you guys a quick video. Please just take note and stay tuned. Technical support. We've got technical support every step of the way. Our technical support center provides telephonic and email support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They also provide expert assistance on-site or remotely for specialist technical needs such as your database migration and cleaning, consultations on the migration path, as well as specialist software development or your custom reports. To find out more about how we can assist you, please email our support center on support@impro.net. Accredited training, we offer an extensive range of certified training, including our company accreditation certificates, which there's 2 levels. We've got our Premier Installer, which is valid for 2 years, and our Certified Installer, which is valid for 6 months. These are both based on a valid technician certificate still being valid and being employed by that company. We also offer on-site training and classroom training, which both have certification, which is valid for 18 months, after which recertification is required. We've got client services. Perhaps you need on-site assistance and project management. Our client services division can work with your preferred installer to assist in the best practices and site specifications. Where our products are used, we work in a variety of industries, including the banking, retail, healthcare, and corporate sectors. You're able to go and register yourself onto our website, which is www.impro.net/register. And you can register yourself either as a consultant or an installer for you to be able to get access to our software downloads, tools, presentations, manuals, and firmware upgrades. We're going to be looking at our access control basics. I've never used access control. Now what? Install our plug and play hardware, select your software, and configure your site. Within a few hours, you can be up and running. Enroll your tech holders and enjoy the simplicity of Access Portal and its many features. Life just got a whole lot simpler and automatic for you. What is access control? Access control is a method of controlling passage into or out of an area. Door controller takes the decision to let people in or out. The door contact, this allows the door controller to monitor the door state, open, closed, or forced. The strike or magnetic lock, this will release the door when you get an access granted. A reader or keypad, this allows you to enter your unique credentials to gain access. A push button located on the exit, this allows you to exit an area without entering any credentials. How does the controller know which user should have access or not? Everything is programmed from our Access Portal software. Some of the components that you will require to run an access control site, such as your magnetic lock, strike lock, push button, and break glass, will all be connected up to our modules. This is a basic layout of an access control portal system. We're going to be looking at what you require. You would firstly require a server for your portal software. This can be a physical machine or virtual machine. You will also require a database server, which will connect directly via network to our system controller. Our system controller will then be linked onto our door controller and a module, which will then hold our readers. So in the event that you present your tag on the reader, the message will then go from your credentials to the reader. Credentials will then go to the door controller onto our system controller to verify with the database that the credentials have access or not. And once that has been proven correct, the message will then come back to unlock your door if you've got access. This will all happen within milliseconds. How do credentials work? A card reader produces an pulsing electromagnetic wave. Proximity tags contain a coil or antenna that is connected to a microchip. When an access card is held close to the card reader, the magnetic wave travels through the coil, generating a small current. This activates the microchip, which transmits a code back to the reader. And here's an example. Access Portal range. So welcome to the Access Portal software suite. Impro Technologies under Access Portal offers 4 tiers. We've got Access Portal Lite, which is suitable for small sites. We've got Access Portal Basic, which is suitable for small to medium sites, and Access Portal Pro, which is suitable for medium to large sites. And lastly, Access Portal Enterprise, which is suitable for very large and multi-sites. Access Portal Lite, this is ideal for small installations up to 16 doors and 1,000 tag holders. It removes the risk of lost or copied keys. It's very simple to use system, and it allows you to know who's on your premises 24 hours a day and be able to instantly add or remove access rights to your building. You'll also be able to quickly access the hours worked by employees along with other basic reports. Plus, you don't need a computer and you can control your system from anywhere using your mobile phone or tablet when connected to the local Wi-Fi. I will now be handing over to our assistant presenter, Tereni. Thank you very much, guys.
Thanks to Misani. I'm going to be starting with Access in a Box S-Series. Essential access control components within one kit for access control on small to medium sites, while still allowing for hardware expansion and software upgrade. Secure and cost-effective access control for 4 doors, single entry, and can be extended to 16 doors, single entry, with additional hardware. What is HCS 930, IPS box solution with no LCD cluster controller and enrollment reader, with one S4 reader module. HBS 900, lockable IPS box with S-Series non-LCD, cluster controller, reader module, 4 SIR readers, and 10 S-Series tags. HMS 900, single S4 reader module, supports 4 anti-passback doors for use with a plastic housing cluster controller. SIR 900, SIR S-Series Impro non-keypad reader with buzzer and bicolored LED. TSC 920, S-Series anti-cloning access card, Impro proprietary encrypted white card, print quality. S4 reader module. The S4 reader module is, when clustered with a cluster controller module, offers full anti-passback control of up to 4 doors. It has 8 digital inputs, 4 output relays, and an S-Bus host terminal that supports up to 8 S-Bus readers. The S4 reader module may only be used in access portal systems. What is a SIR reader? The SIR reader is an Impro S-Bus device and may only be used with the S4 reader module. The SIR reader is not compatible with IXP20 or IXP220 range of hardware and associated terminals. Proprietary encryption. Impro's S-Card, a secure encrypted tag. Secure technology, anti-cloning features, 125 kHz card, print quality, and is secured to operate on S-Series. What is in the box? Item 1. A lockable IPS box with switch mode power supply, optional battery backup or charge option, and anti-tamper switch. Cluster controller with S-Series reader module. Item 2. 4 SIR readers. Item 3. 10 anti-clone S cards. Item 4. Quick start guides and drill template. What are the unique selling points of this product? 1. All-in-one. All the key access control components in one box. 2. Quick install. A quick and easy install solution allows for less on-site time and more site installations. 3. Easy to use. Intuitive user interface with informative user guides. 4. Cost saving. Achievable quote times. Save on time for installation. Save on cost for after-sales support. 5. Control. Improve by providing anti-passback control to prevent tag swapping or allow for basic time and attendance reports. 6. Security. Enhanced by incorporating tags that feature anti-cloning technology. Key features. Simple product, easy to understand, and commission. More sites can be installed per day, fewer returns and lower support requests due to incorrect configuration. Quoted time and actual installation time are easier to achieve. Extensive staff training is minimized for both the installer and the site. Substantial supporting material. Kit is equipped with quick install guides and an intuitive user interface to facilitate ease of use. Complete install guide and instructional videos are available on demand from the online webpage, which aids in on-site support and training. No server on site. Reduced costs as a result of no server to install and maintain. Cost-effective product. Most competitive on a per-door price comparison. Better profit margins are therefore possible. Security by means of anti-clone S cards, which increases revenue through card sales and retains customer business and support. Proprietary secure communication between devices. Lockable IPS metal housing equipped with an anti-tamper switch. User interface secured by unique passwords. System specifications. HPS 900 kit includes HCS 930 plus 4 SIR 900 readers plus 10 TSC 920 S cards. System capabilities. Maximum people, 1,000. Maximum tags, 3 tags per person. Maximum logs, 100,000 events. Door count, 4 doors, each with an entrance reader. Exit readers may be added if desired for anti-passback. Here we have a cluster controller module with no LCD clustered to one S4 reader module, connected to 4 readers via your S-Bus cable. That is 4 single entry doors with the request to exit buttons. The S-Bus cable can run a maximum of 150 meters. And it is recommended that there is a power supply at each door. Will I benefit from any features if I add exit readers? Yes, anti-passback. Anti-passback is a selectable access portal light security option that will not allow a tag to enter a zone if the tag has already been used to enter that zone. The tag must first exit the zone using an exit reader before the same tag can re-enter the zone. The purpose of this is to prevent people from passing their tags back to unauthorized persons behind them, hence anti-passback. This is useful if you wish to use the Access Portal Lite events log to monitor employee attendance. In this slide, it shows you a cluster controller module with no LCD, clustered to one S4 reader module, connected to 8 readers via your S-Bus cable. That's 4 anti-passback doors. HPS 900 plus HPS 910 expansion kit, which consists of one S4 reader module, 4 SIR readers, and 10 S cards. System capabilities. Maximum people, 1,000. Maximum cards, 3 cards per person. Maximum logs, 100,000 events. Door count, 8 doors with an entrance reader, and exit readers may be added if desired for anti-passback. Here we have a cluster controller module clustered to 2 S4 reader modules in an IPS box, connected via the S-Bus cable to 8 readers, that is 8 single entry doors, and request to exit buttons. Will I benefit from any feature if I add exit readers? Yes, anti-passback. This slide shows a cluster controller module clustered with 2 S4 reader modules in an IPS box, connected via the S-Bus cable to 16 readers, that is 8 anti-passback doors. Communication topologies. There are 3 types of communication topologies that can be used with the S-Bus cable: daisy chain, star, or tree or extended star topologies. With a daisy chain topology, the maximum distance from start to finish is 150 meters. Whilst when you use the star or tree or extended star topology, it is 150 meters to each reader. More information. One cluster controller can only be connected to 2 S4 reader modules. That is a maximum of 8 anti-passback doors or 16 readers. Mix it up. In this slide, the first cluster controller is clustered to 2 S4 reader modules, connected via the S-Bus cable to 16 readers, giving you 8 anti-passback doors. The first cluster controller module is then connected to a second cluster controller module using TCP/IP or RS485, which is clustered to 2 S4 reader modules, which is firstly connected to 8 readers using the S-Bus cable, giving you 4 anti-passback doors, and then connected to 4 additional readers via S-Bus, giving you 4 single entry doors and 4 request to exit buttons. Connected to a third cluster controller module, clustered to 2 S4 reader modules, connected to 8 readers via S-Bus cable, giving you 8 single entry doors and request to exit buttons. Access in a box Wigand. Essential access control components within one kit for access control on small to medium sites, while still allowing for hardware expansion and software upgrade. Secure and cost-effective access control for up to 16 doors. Product benefits. Security. Remove the risk of lost or copied keys. Languages. 10 languages standard off the shelf. Mobility. Access to your system 24 hours a day through a web page. Controller. Includes embedded software, free of charge, and a single controller can manage up to 16 doors. What is HBW 901, access in a box? Wigand. HCW 930, IPS box solution with no LCD cluster controller with one Wigand reader module. HMW 901, single Wigand reader module, supports 2 readers for use with a cluster controller in an IPS box. HMW 900, single Wigand reader module, supports 2 readers for use with a cluster controller. HRW 900, MDR, Impro non-keypad multidiscipline reader. TMC 911, MyFair Access Card. What is in the box? Item 1. Lockable IPS box with switch mode power supply, optional battery backup or charge option, and an anti-tamper switch. Cluster controller with Wigan reader module. Item 2. 2 multidiscipline readers. Item 3. 10 MyFair cards. Item 4. Quick start guides and drill templates. What are the unique selling points of this product? 1. All-in-one. All the key access control components in one box. 2. Quick install. A quick and easy to install solution allows for less on-site time and more site installations. 3. Easy to use. Intuitive user interface with informative user guides. 4. Cost saving. Achievable quote times, save on time for installation, and save on cost for after-sales support. 5. Control. Improve by providing anti-passback control to prevent tag swapping, or allow for basic time and attendance reports. 6. Language. Supports 10 languages. Key features. Simple product, easy to understand and commission. Ease of installation along with allowance for expansion both in hardware and software. Fewer returns and lower support requests due to incorrect configuration. Quoted time and actual installation time are easier to achieve. Extensive staff training is minimized for both the installer and the site. Substantial supporting material. Kit is equipped with quick install guides and an intuitive user interface to facilitate ease of use. Complete install guide and instructional videos are available on demand from the online webpage, which aids in on-site support and training. No server on-site. Reduced costs as a result of no server to install and maintain. Cost-effective product. The kit is more competitively priced than individual hardware. Therefore, better profit margins are possible. Security by means of MyFair tags offer entry-level security, but these can be upgraded for a more secure option, as the reader has support for both low-frequency and high-frequency RFID tags. Promote S-Card and SFOB as alternatives. Secure communication between devices. Lockable IPS metal housing equipped with anti-tamper switch. User interface secured by unique passwords or user profiles. Access Portal Basic. Suitable for installations of up to 100 doors and 1,000 tag holders. It is completely free to download and it provides the access control system with anti-passback doors. Variety of reports to effectively manage your premises. Create personalized dashboard for common actions. Design custom access control cards. Lock down premises with a mouse click in an emergency. Simple upgrade for additional functionality. No migration, no re-enrollment, just enter the license key and you're done. Access Portal Pro. For larger systems with up to 5,000 doors and 125,000 tag holders. Incredibly powerful, flexible, and customizable solution. User-intuitive system with built-in help and wizards. Web-based interface for control anywhere in the world. seamlessly integrated with a host of third-party products such as biometrics and wireless locks. Wealth of advanced features. Zoning tools for enhanced people, vehicles, and asset movement control. Extensive reports and ability to generate customized reports. Threat control for immediate actions to emergency situations. Write secure encrypted biometric data to CIOS cards. Elevator control, automation through I/O module, API for integration with third-party applications. Access Portal Enterprise for large and multi-site systems with up to 10,000 doors and 1 million tag holders. Exceptional control with a simple-to-use interface. Single license fee with no seat licenses or annual renewals. Amongst the lowest cost versus feature system in the world. Variety of user roles and ability to customize further. Manage geographical multiple sites from one system. Up to 1,000 sites with a single system. Extensive API for custom developments. Batch operations for large-scale changes. Interfaces with other systems such as CCTV, VMS, intrusion, and fire. Scalability. Access Portal Lite. No computer is necessary, and it has embedded software on the controller. And you can control your system from anywhere using your mobile phone or tablet if connected to local Wi-Fi. Access Portal Basic. What is required? A server with the Access Portal software and Microsoft SQL Server. The software is free and no software license is required, but it gives you the ability to add more hardware, up to 100 doors. Access Portal Pro. A once-off software license is required, but it gives you the ability to add more hardware and client logins, up to 5,000 doors per system and up to 200 doors per site. Access Portal Enterprise. A once-off software license is required, but it gives you the ability to use application controllers and add even more hardware, up to 10,000 doors per system and up to 500 doors per site. System architecture. How does it all fit together? You have your portal application software where the portal software is installed, and then you have your database server, which runs Microsoft SQL Server 2012 or higher. These can be on one machine or two separate machines, connected via LAN or WAN to your portal hardware. You then have your client users. That's any client device with a web browser that can connect to your local Wi-Fi, connected via LAN or WAN.